Wang Chuqin's racket drama happens again. WTTC Finals Doha 2025. Do you still remember the racket incident of Wang Chuqin at the Paris Olympics 2020? It happened again. Unbelievable. Just before the mixed doubles round of 32 at the 2025 WTTC in Doha, Wang Chuqin discovered something shocking. His racket was damaged. The rubber appeared peeled like it had been tampered with. This wasn't a casual bubble or an old sheet issue. From the live stream image, you can clearly see it looked tampered with before the match started. The umpire first claimed it was like that from the beginning, but anyone who has watched Wang Chuqin play knows there's no way he would submit a faulty racket for inspection. The Chinese team immediately raised concerns. The CTTA has now filed a formal complaint with the ITTF. The case is ongoing. Wang was eventually allowed to use his backup racket. But here's the problem. If the backup racket had failed post-match testing, the pair would have lost the match, even after winning on court. Imagine the pressure. Playing a knockout match at the World Championships, not knowing if your victory will be stripped after the final point. This incident echoes something that happened to Wang Hao during his career. It raises serious questions about equipment handling and integrity at major events. From Wang's interview, he said he noticed the damage even from a distance. The rubber looked warped. On closer look, it appeared as if it was peeled backward. Very suspicious. This kind of situation is not just frustrating, it's unacceptable. At the highest level of our sport, players should not worry about their equipment being tampered with after inspection. This is a matter of fairness, transparency, and respect for the game. Wang Chuqin kept his composure, but the sport needs answers.
Calderano.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.